Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change user password in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click User Accounts. Click Manage another account. Select User Account. Click Change the password. Enter current and new password. Click Change Password. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.